Hey Stunning fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you will be watching us create Christmas gifts for our loved ones from the last holiday season. These gifts are intended to be done when your kids are little and so that loved ones have a memory of their little hands and feet. The first gift idea is handprint keepsake ornaments made out of moon dough. This recipe is composed of 1.5 cups cornstarch and 1/2 cup of hair conditioner. You can also add more conditioner like we did if you notice that the dough is too dry to press together. If you want to add different colors, add the food coloring to the conditioner and then mix it in with cornstarch. This dough can also be used as Play-Doh and it smells really good. We continued to use the spatula in our hands until the dough was like a Play-Doh consistency. Next, we flattened out the dough on a cutting board and slowly placed our child's hand and foot on the dough to create imprints. For the second part of the process, we mixed plaster of Paris with some water. The general ratio for plaster of Paris is 2 parts plaster to 1 part water. This ratio can vary. You will know to stop adding the plaster when the water no longer absorbs the plaster as it is needed. Next, we place the mixture in the hand and feet molds. We use the spatula to transfer the mixture and make it as smooth as possible. The last step included placing the ribbon in the still wet mixture and adding the mixture on the top of the ribbon. The plaster of Paris sets in a few minutes, although it takes an hour before it is ready to be removed from the mold. It takes 24 to 48 hours to fully cure. Be very careful as they can break easily after removing from the mold. The next project is very simple. You just need an ornament, paint, and a Sharpie. We noticed the footprints were much easier to use for this ornament because kids are less likely to wiggle their toes over their fingers when placing on the ornament. The last project was personalized hand towels. We used acrylic paint for this whole project as this type of paint does well in the washer for years of use. For the antlers, we pre-drew with a pencil and then went over the tracings with paint. For the words, we used a printed out font placed underneath the towel. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. We hope that you all enjoyed this video and this inspired gift ideas for your own loved ones this year. We know this is early, but we hope that you all have a wonderful Christmas and New Year's. It's sneaking up on us, but it will be the end of the year before we all know it. See y'all in our next video. Take care.